All right, so cable, straight bar, tricep extension or push down. I'm keeping my elbows pinned at my sides. I'm not bringing my elbows way out. Keeping them close to my sides. Coming down, and I'm kind of pushing down. I'm not like swinging out too much. It is a push down. And I'm coming up and breaking 90 degrees, not too much. I'm not coming all the way up here, but I'm staying to roughly about right here in the extension. You know, there's no point in coming all the way up, so it's about right here and down. You know, make sure you're breathing as well. Inhaling on the negative, exhaling on the positive. Again, making sure your elbows are pinned at your sides. Control the motion. A little bit slower on the negative than on the positive. A little bit slower on the negative, a little quicker on the positive. Always controlled. Form is everything. Boom.